Chapter 4.
Perimeter and area. Perimeter. The total length of the boundary of a figure is called its perimeter. The perimeter of a polygon can be determined by adding the length of all its sides. The concept of perimeter and its measurement is useful in day-to-day life. Let us learn the concept of perimeter through an example. Raju was measuring the length of his notepad with a 25 cm scale. The notepad was 25 cm long and 15 cm wide. When he measured the other two sides, he found the same measurement. What would be the length along the four sides of the notepad? It would be 25 cm plus 15 cm plus 25 cm plus 15 cm. That is equal to 80 cm. This length along the edges or boundary of the notepad is called the perimeter. Finding the perimeter of polygons. As perimeter means the total length of the boundary, if we add the length of the sides of a polygon, we get its perimeter. For example, in part A, perimeter is 12 cm plus 8 cm plus 10 cm plus 2 cm equals to 32 cm. Whereas in part B, perimeter is equal to 10 cm plus 3 cm plus 6 cm plus 8 cm plus 4 cm. That is equal to 31 cm. Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter number 10, perimeter and area. So let's start with our first example. So students, now let's look at example number 1. In a triangle PQR, PQ equals to 3 cm, QR equals to 4 cm and RP equals to 5 cm. Find its perimeter. So in this question, we are given three sides of a triangle and we have to find its perimeter. So let's start. Perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to sum of all sides, that is PQ plus QR plus RP. PQ is 3 cm, QR is 4 cm and RP is 5 cm. So basically perimeter is sum of all sides of triangle. It means this side plus this side gives us the perimeter of triangle, that is outer boundary of the triangle. So when we add all the three sides, they are 3 cm plus 4 cm plus 5 cm, which is equal to 12 cm. So our perimeter of triangle PQR is 12 cm. So I hope students you have understood how to find perimeter of triangle when all the three sides of a triangle are given. Perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle has its opposite sides equal. Let us take a rectangle ABCD and find its perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle ABCD is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to AB plus BC plus AB plus BC, because AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA. So 2AB plus 2BC is equal to 2 in bracket AB plus BC. Hence perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Perimeter of a square. A square is a quadrilateral with all its sides equal. Let us consider a square PQRS and find its perimeter. Perimeter of a square PQRS is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Hence, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Smart tip: the perimeter of a circle is known as the circumference. So students, now look at example number 1. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose length is 18 meters and breadth is 5 meters. So we have to find perimeter of rectangle and we are given length and breadth of the rectangle. So as you know, perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice the sum of length plus breadth. So the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle is twice the sum of length plus breadth, and we know what is length and what is breadth. So 2 multiplied by length is 18 meters, breadth is 5 meters. So 2 into 18 plus 5 is equals to 23. So 23 multiplied by 2 equals to 46 meters. So the perimeter of our rectangle when length and breadth are given is twice the sum of length plus breadth, and our answer for the given question is 46 meters when the length is 18 meters and breadth is 5 meters. Area. A plain closed figure covers some amount of surface which is called its area. Now look at the figures below. It is clear that figure 2 occupies more surface than figure 1. Thus we can say that figure 2 has more area. Area is measured in square units of length. First, area of smaller objects such as book or a geometry box is measured in square centimeters. Second, area of bigger surfaces such as playgrounds is measured in square meters. The standard unit of measuring area is the square of unit size. A square centimeter is the area of a square of side 1 centimeter. It has an area of 1 square centimeter. Now look at the square below. The area of this square is 9 square centimeters because it has 9 squares of area 1 square centimeter each. Area of a rectangle. Look at the rectangle. What is the area of this rectangle? Let us count the number of squares enclosed. There are 12 squares enclosed. Thus, the area of the rectangle is equal to 12 centimeter is equal to 4 into 3 square centimeter equals to length of the rectangle into breadth of the rectangle. Thus, area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Area of a square. Look at the square which is divided into 9 smaller squares. Thus, area of the square is equal to 9 square centimeter, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 square centimeter. Side of the square into side of the square. Thus, area of the square is equal to side multiplied by side. Smart tip: perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice length plus breadth. Perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of a square is equal to side multiplied by side. So students, now look at example number 1. Count the unit squares in the figure below and then write its area in square centimeter. Area of each unit square equals to 1 centimeter. So here we are given a figure in which we have squares, or these squares are to be written in the form of total area of the figure. So we have to count the unit squares in the figure and write the area of this figure. And we are given each unit square is equals to 1 centimeter. So if we count the squares, so first we need to count each square in the given figure. So total unit squares are equal to, if we count, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are total 18 unit squares. And since the area of each unit square is 1 centimeter, so we can say the area of the figure is 18 square centimeter. So I hope students you have understood how to count the total number of squares and represent it in the form of square centimeter when the unit of one unit square is equal to 1 centimeter.